How to drop items in Minecraft on your iPad. So you do have a few options on dropping items. First of all, if you want to drop it directly from your in-game screen, you can just go ahead and hold any item that is on your hotbar and it should just drop like so. But it will drop all of the items in your hotbar, but you can't really choose a specific amount. But if you want to do that, you could open up your inventory, choose whatever item you want to drop, including from your hotbar, hold it, and then you could choose an amount by holding and scrolling to whichever amount you want. If you have your amount, you can just go ahead and stop holding and then press on anything or everywhere other than the inventory, like there, and then it drops that specific amount. You can still drop it like so, like the full stack or the actual item, but that is pretty much the general idea on how you can drop items in Minecraft on your iPad. So hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.